Welcome to Basic Maths. Today we are going to find the diagonal. Learn how to calculate the diagonal of a rectangle using the Pythagoras theorem. This is the rectangle given the length as 12 centimeters and the width as 5 centimeters. We are going to find the length of the diagonal. We will name it as A, B, C, D. This is the rectangle, ABCD rectangle. We know the length is as 12 centimeters, width as 5 centimeters. We are going to find the length of AC, that is the diagonal. Then we are going to use the Pythagoras theorem. This is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle. Then if we use the Pythagoras theorem, AC squared equals to AB squared plus BC squared. This is the Pythagoras theorem. Then AC, we are going to find the value of AC. We already know the value of AB, that is 12 centimeters, that is 12 squared centimeters, plus BC 5 centimeters, that is 5 squared, 5 centimeters 5 squared. 12 squared means 12 into 12, that is 144, plus 5 squared means 25. Then we have to add these two together. 5 add 4, 9, 4 add 2, 6, 1, that is 169, that is AC squared. Then we have to find the root of this. This is the value of AC squared, that is 169. The square root of AC, we have to find the square root of AC, that is 169. Then we found it as 13 into 13 make 169. The square root of a number is value which when multiplied by itself gives the original number. Example, 3 into 3, that is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. Like that, here square root of 169 is 13. Then the AC squared is 169. Square root of 169 is 13. Then that is the value of AC. Then we found the diagonal of this AC, that is 13 centimeters. This is a quick and simple geometrical sum for middle school children. We learn how to calculate the diagonal of a rectangle using the Pythagoras theorem.